Hello folks, welcome to a Walkie talkie. Now, I'm going to try and keep it focused on Scotland. Peter Morrell is in remand. He pled guilty to embezzlement, and Nicola Sturgeon apparently is beside herself. Right, listen sweetie, right, you've been beside yourself from the moment charges were applied, right? And apparently Nicola Sturgeon didn't know about this embezzlement activity, but they were living under the same house. Weird. Anyway, remember as well, when it all came to the surface about the embezzlement and she broke up with him, and not even 48 hours later she was a lesbian. Weird. And that's like me being in a relationship and finding out my girlfriend has been nicking my credit card to buy things for OnlyFans, and then me suddenly coming out of the closet, taking it up the hoo-hoo. This is a very busy street. So yeah, and also John Swinney, apparently he's beyond himself with regards to what has happened. It sounds a tad theatric, right? And there's been calls for John Swinney to resign. I would be very careful of the next step, right? You know what they say about wishes, right? If he stands down, do we really want Hamza Yousaf back? The idiot who is anti-white, and he has been very clear in his sentiment. He only received 34,000 complaints about his dreadful speech the moment his hate law came into place. It's all very messed up indeed, and you don't want to hedge a bet with regard to Swinney. I mean, maybe Swinney does need to go because this situation is somewhat starting to involve his process of business, and anything he does there on after is going to be tainted. Maybe he does need to go, but there needs to be a big I would say it needs to be another Scottish election, because quite frankly, if he resigns and the one that's just one stage down from him is Hamza, we are going to have some very, very draconian rules being applied, even over and above what is applied so far. This could be the Scottish version of the CCP, and I don't think we want that. We want a Scotland free, fair, livable, and maybe this is asking for too much, but enjoyable. And that new hate law has ruined Scotland, Hamza boy.
So you feeling okay?
Unfortunately, it could be a situation we want him, as in Swinney, to retire off because of the whole situation with the embezzlement. What could we have next? And as I outlined before, I don't think this would be great to have Hamza in. You know, we need someone that has the best intent, the best interest and the best heart for Scotland, not just via basically producing self-serving, woke, hypocrite nonsense, and I'm not afraid to say that. So, in a more jovial term, as far as I last know, Nicola Sturgeon's single, so if you are a 50-year-old woman who likes him off, get your ass down to Katie's, you might see her. I don't know how she hasn't been there already. Great drinks, great venue and great location. So anyway, I'm going to head off now, and until the next time.